Let me just save what I have so far. So I did, just one sec. This is A5. This one here, A6. A7. A8. A9. A10. And B1B. Okay, so this now is B2. Is this sequence arithmetic or geometric? Yep, arithmetic. B2 A1, it's arithmetic. And what's the A? 5. And the D? 4. Alright, good. Now, next part is, what is the expression for the nth term? So UN is A plus n minus 1D. 5 plus n minus 1 times 4. 5 plus 4n minus 4. 1 plus 4n. 3. What term is 45? So when does UN equal 45? When does 1 minus 4n equal 45? So, thank you, Albert. 1 plus 4n equals 45. 4n equals 44, so n equals 11. And then is the next part the sum of the 11 terms? N over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. 50, 25 times 2, 275? Yeah? Okay. Right, so B is a little bit tricky. I tell you, you have 3 terms in geometric progression, and the first term is 1. The first term is 1, and the sum is 13. If the first term is 1, what's the second term? R. Yeah, AR, and A is 1. And then the next term? R squared. But I tell you, the first 3 terms, their total is 13. So R squared plus R minus 12 equals 0. So you have R plus 4 and R minus 3 equals 0. So R equals 3, R minus 4. Now, possible values of R. So there's 2 answers here. Okay, and part C, you have a ball and it's 1 meter above the ground. So that's 1 meter. And then it bounces up. So it goes down, then it bounces up, and then of course it goes back down. And then, and then when it bounces up again, it's not as high, and then it goes back down. So here it goes down, and then it goes up, down, forever. This height is 1 meter, this height is 0.8 meters, and this height is 0.64 meters. So what's happening is the ball goes down, then it bounces up, then it bounces down, then it bounces up, then it bounces down. So it goes up, down, and it continues like this until it stops, practically. So what is the total distance it's travelled? Well, it'll be 1 plus 0.8 plus 0.8 plus 0.64 plus 0.64, etc. So that would be 1 plus 2, because each of these are in pairs. 0.8 plus 0.64, etc. This here is GP. In fact, it's infinite GP, with the A equals 0.8 and the R equals 0.8. So if you use your infinite GP formula, A over 1 minus R, here we got 1 minus 2 over 0.8 over 1 minus 0.8 plus, what the heck, plus 4, 8, 9. 9 meters, as you said, is the answer. Yeah, there's more than one way to do it. So, there's other things you could have done here. What did you do that's different?
I choose the A1
Mm-hmm.
and I multiply it by 2. At the end, I
Minus 1 then.
minus 1.
Yeah, good idea. So basically what you did was you added in an extra 1 here, and then at the end you take away 1. Yeah, good idea. That's fine too. That's what I did last time, and that confused students, so that's why I did it differently this time. Yeah. Okay, I can close this one.